Hello everyone, I warmly welcome you all to this advanced option selling course. I would like to tell you that the curriculum for this course is going to be inspired by P.R. Sundar's advanced option selling course, which is costed right now at rupees 50,000. It's a 2-day workshop and he has taught all his learnings, all his practical implementations in this course. So I took this course half a year back and I have extensively used it. I decided to make a playlist for all my subscribers so that they can learn something that is too much valuable at free of cost. I myself am a proud student of P.R. Sundar sir. So by no means I am telling you that if you are capable of taking his course, if you have a good capital, so I highly advise you to just enroll there without giving it a second thought. I am here trying my best to reach all the learnings that I have got from this course. I am literally very much excited when I am making this intro of this playlist, and I am sure that you all will get some high-rich content from the knowledge I am sharing. Now before I tell you what you can expect from the playlist, what topics are going to be covered, I highly recommend you and please you that please subscribe the channel so that whenever the new video for this playlist is getting uploaded, you get the notification. So Karthikeyan, what to expect from the playlist that you are creating? Guys, expect all the strategies, all the tactics, all the firefighting and the margin management that have been taught during the workshop, and I'll try my best to put all my learnings and points in front of you very honestly and very creatively. Besides that, you'll get my own inputs and experiences with all those strategies in between the videos. So thrilled to have you on board, and do consider subscribing.